Hello guys, my name is Tigran and I am the creator of this course. In this short video I will give you an overview of what we are going to learn. In this course we are going to learn test automation technologies in Java. I will teach you here how to set up test automation frameworks with Java, Selenium, Rest Assured and much more tools. We will use Gradle as a build tool, Java as a programming language, and JUnit as a test runner. We are going to learn all the automation topics from scratch to advanced level. At the beginning of the course, you will understand the basics of API, why it is needed and how to use it. You will learn this topic in a nutshell. After this, we will switch to Postman investigation and learn how to test real API endpoints from Trello application with the help of this tool. We will observe all the main HTTP methods and their validation techniques in Postman with the home tasks provided for each lesson. The following step will be to set up our test development environment to start automated test creation in Java. You will get detailed explanation of how to set up everything. Then we will learn how to build API testing automation framework with the help of Rest Assured. Here we will project all the knowledge from API theory and Postman part in Java code. Afterwards, we will switch to UI testing tool Selenium. This is the most popular instrument to build test automation frameworks in nowadays. We will decide together what Selenium is and what its main components are, its role in software testing process. Then we will start our way in Selenium framework setup with the help of Java and Gradle. We will gradually improve our test application structure and add new features step by step with detailed explanation of why the improvement is needed. Our following step will be to migrate Java main method into JUnit test method. Then we will understand which type of weights can be found in Selenium and how to apply them correctly in test automation framework. Afterwards, we will create a structured test automation framework with the help of the most common test automation patterns. The final core of our curriculum will be to run our automated tests via the command line. With the achieved knowledge, you could easily apply to most of the vacancies that you find in the best worldwide companies. And what is extremely important regarding this course is that you will get tons of code examples. So, you could use them in your projects or during the learning. All the examples are made on the basis of real-life cases of web application testing. There are no abstract examples from books that just don't help you to understand the topic. This course is based on real-life cases that will help you to learn the right things in the right way. Enough talks. Let's start our course. See you in our next lesson.